Hallo Leute! Hello people! Welcome to my channel German from Scratch. And our today's topic is introducing yourself in German. So, how do we say for what is your name in Deutsch? It's Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? Right? It's Wie ist Ihr Name? And how do we reply for that? Mein Name ist Peter Parker. So if the person's name is Peter Parker, how would Peter reply? Mein Name ist Peter Parker. Right? Mein Name ist Peter Parker. My name is Peter Parker. So there is one more way of asking for name. And what it is? It's Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? And again this means what is your name? Heißen. So heißen is actually translated as called. Yeah, called in English. So if you translate in English, this would be how are you called? And what does that mean? Yeah, so the meaning of that would be what is your name? Right? Wie heißen Sie? How would you reply? If a person asks, Wie heißen Sie? You would reply saying, Ich heiße your name. And suppose the person's name is Emma Weber. How would Emma reply? Ich heiße Emma Weber. My name is Emma Weber. Okay? The next question. Wie ist Ihr Vorname? What is Vorname? Vorname means first name. Yeah, what is your first name? Wie ist Ihr Vorname? Wie ist Ihr Vorname? So how would Peter Parker reply for this? Peter ist mein Vorname. Peter ist mein Vorname. Peter is my first name. Mein Vorname ist Emma. So Emma Weber wants to reply by saying my Vorname ist Emma. So either you can reply by saying mein Vorname ist your first name, or you can say your first name first and then ist mein Vorname. You get it? So it's like Peter ist mein Vorname, or else you can say mein Vorname ist Peter or mein Vorname ist Emma. Okay, whatever your first name is, you can reply either like this or like this. So my first name is Emma. So what the next question would be? Wie ist Ihr Familienname oder Nachname? What does this mean? What is your surname or last name? Okay, so wie ist Ihr Familienname? Familienname oder Nachname. So it means last name. Familienname oder Nachname. You can use either Familienname or Nachname. And how to reply for this? Mein Familienname ist Parker. In case of Peter Parker, the last name would be Parker. Mein Familienname ist Parker, which means my last name is Parker. Mein Nachname ist Weber. In case of Emma Weber, mein Nachname ist Weber, which is my last name is Weber. So you can either say Familienname or Nachname. Okay? The next question would be, woher kommen Sie? Woher? What does woher mean? Woher means from where? Yeah? Woher kommen Sie? Kommen means to come and Sie is you. So this means where do you come from or where are you from? Okay, woher kommen Sie? How would you reply for this question? Ich komme, ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. Okay, and it's not India. In Deutsch, it's Indian. I come from India. Okay, in case you're from India. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I come from Germany. In case you're from Germany, you would say Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus den USA. Okay, ich komme aus den USA. I come from the USA in case you're from USA. Okay, so the answer would depend on the country you are staying. The next question would be Wo wohnen Sie? Which means where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? Wo means where and wohnen is to live. Sie is you. Where do you live? In case you're from India and you live in Mumbai, what would you say? You would say Ich wohne in Mumbai. Ich wohne. Wohne. Ich wohne in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. In case you're from Paris, how would you reply for this? Ich wohne in Paris. Okay, I live in Paris. In case you're from New York, how would you reply? Ich wohne in New York. Ich wohne in New York. I live in New York. In case you're from Berlin, how would you reply? Ich wohne in Berlin. Ich wohne in Berlin. I live in Berlin. So that was end of our today's lesson, part 1, and part 2 would follow in the next video. Until then, cheers! And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Danke!